Nasdaq has seen a massive rise and it has achieved 16,890 levels today. Yes, earlier in the day, I had asked you to buy Nasdaq at around 16,760 and specifically beyond 16,860 zone, 16,800 and 850 zone, more bullish momentum may prevail. Likewise, US30 has achieved the highs at 37,340, 37,338 before reversing and retracing a bit. So now what to expect from Nasdaq and Dow Jones today with the US session? How we can profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update, second update for the day. Those who watched the first update should have already profited. Let's start. First Tech 100 followed with Dow Jones. Watch the US30 on the early charts is still staying bullish. Yes, it has formed a good support zone here at 16,760 levels, and since then it has traded with the bullish bias. Moving averages crossing over here certainly is a good sign for the bulls. At the same time, prices are divergent from the moving average, calls for it to. But right now, after staying flat for a while, it is looking upwards. Thus, it is sign of a stronger bullish momentum. The stochastic has come to overbought levels. MACD is extremely divergent and bullish. RSI overbought. Coming to 2 Likewise on the 2-hour charts, now the moving average is crossing over here. Again, sign of very good bullish momentum. And today, as I said, 16,760 is the first support, 16,730 and 16,700. Three stronger support exist on the downside. As long as 16,700 is not breached, you should not be treating Nasdaq 100 as bearish today. Moving average is crossing over here. This is again a bullish sign. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent, MACD is bullish. 4 candles, extremely bigger candles suggest extremely good bullish momentum. RSI rising. Coming to 3 hour, likewise on the 3-hour charts, see moving average is now looking upwards. First bullish candle here, it has formed a good base here at 16,737.60 zone, then a stronger bullish momentum. This candle can be further bigger and it can take it on the upside. How far? Yes, if it continues to trade above 16,900, 920 zone, we can look forward to 16,960, 17,000 levels today itself. Be watchful of this. Stochastic overbought, MACD has just crossed over, trading with divergence, trading bullish, looking upwards. RSI rising as well. And if you look at 4 hours, now just make a note of 1 point, 1, 2, 3, and include this as well. 4 times Nasdaq 100 tried to breach this zone at 16,900, 920. It has to break below this high, beyond these highs in order to confirm a breakout. Beyond these highs, we can look forward to 6959, 60, and then 17,000 is a must here. Yes, it is breaking out. After forming this flag formation, it is breaking out and this could take it on the upside. Our stochastic overbought, MACD just crossed over here. It can lead to a stronger rise. This is a good wave which we are seeing, and this wave can lead to higher prices. RSI rising, coming to the day. And before we look into the daily charts and I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch 28th. That it is starting on 28th of January, and this is the 28th batch as well. Do register for it now. Equip yourself with the right tools and strategies which can help you identify profitable trades and help you trade profitably. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can join my signals channel or Telegram where you can trade as per the signals and definitely benefit. Reach out to me again for more details. Write down to me via Telegram or email. Also, yes, you can visit my platform www.forexfunda.com where you have answers to all your queries related to the signals channel, related to the webinar series or of the mentorship batch. Webinar series is where every Sunday we discuss the details and nitty-gritties of the markets. Yes, we take it live and I answer your queries as well. And this also comes with 2 free live consultations with me, one-to-one consultations with me. So do register for the webinar series. And yes, if you want to trade as per the signals, do join the signals channel. With that, and yes, join the free Telegram channel to get the live market updates. Now look at the daily chart. See, this zone is very, very important. We have seen earlier in this 4-hour charts, and again I am showing on the daily charts as well. It has to break out beyond this zone 16,900, 920. If Nasdaq 100 trades above 16,900, 920, confirm that the bulls are back. And we can look forward to 16,960 and 17,000 levels this time. It has to stay above these levels. Yes, it is trying to trade bullish, but yes, it has come to overbought levels as well. Stochastic rising, MACD, after staying bearish for a while, it is on the verge of a crossover. This crossover can lead to the bulls here. RSI rising as well. Considering this, a buying end is now above 16,900, 920 zone. Yes, if Nasdaq 100 trades above 6900 920, consider that as a bullish breakout and stay bullish for 6950 960 at the first and 17,000 17,020 at the second targets. On the downside, a selling entry can only be taken if you see the price is staying below 16,840, 35 levels, below which we can look forward to 16,808 and then 16,760. Only bearishness in Nasdaq 100 today is below 16,760, where you can look forward to see 16,760, 730, 703. Very, very strong support levels. Be watchful of that. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. See US30 on the hourly charts. After just put a division here, you will find symmetrical formation here, and it has come to the same levels here. Yeah, and what preceded that was a stronger drop. What could follow is a stronger rise. Be watchful of this. And this candle matters to us a lot. Yes, if you see it is staying above 37 250 again, 250 280 is a greater resistance zone, and then we will look forward to 330 350 zone. And this zone here, rather I will say 37 350 370 is the zone of interest to us, above which US30 to be declared bullish, else it is still trading with lower lows, lower highs. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is in green, trying to converge a bit and crossover. RSI looking downwards. Coming to 2 hour. On the 2 hour chart, see bigger pull here and a smaller body. Then again a wick on the upside, then a bigger body. Yes, it is trying to trade bearish. Possibility for it to hit a bottom at 37,150 exists as well. And below this time 37,150, we are looking at 37,100. Now remember what it has done here is lower highs, lower lows. Support levels at 37,100 are going to remain very strong. The stochastic looking downwards. MACD is in green, trying to converge a bit. It has not yet crossed over. RSI looking down, trying to trade bearish. Coming to 3-hour charts, likewise on the 3-hour charts, for previous candle was a stronger pull candle. This candle continued with the bearish momentum. It appears that lower highs, lower lows, we can in fact expect it to move towards 37,060 levels as well. 37,100, 37,060 levels are going to remain a pretty strong support. Stochastic looking down. MACD has just crossed over. It is not willing to trade with divergence, not willing to trade bullish. RSI looking down. Coming to 4-hour charts, similar observation here on the 4-hour charts. Lower highs, previous candle with a pull. This candle also has a downward pull. But once you see it is staying above 37,250, we can expect, and 37,280, we can expect it to move towards 37,320, 350, and then 400 levels. See, very, very stronger resistance for Dow Jones exists as long as it stays below 37,400. And on the downside, 37,100, 37,060 is going to remain the stronger support. Stochastic looking down, MACD bearish trying to converge, RSI looking downwards. Coming to the on the daily charts, one must note that we have already seen lower lows on the preceding candles. And if you just connect the dots here, you will find 37,100, 37,060 is a greater support zone. And also we have seen right now lower highs. So possibility for it to move towards this zone exists. However, look at these two candles. Certainly diminishing body size and a bigger tail suggests that it can bounce back, forming a double bottom. We can expect a recovery. Thus, we have to watch out for 37,150, 140 zone as the first support levels, 37,100 as the next support levels, and 37,060. These three levels you should watch out for. Prices can be seen reversing, and only bullish momentum is above 37,350, 370, beyond which we can treat US30 as bullish. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with more updates before the Asian Europe session. Do press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment, friends. Thank you very much.